Hey, what's up? It's David Duford at buylifeinsurancefororburial.com, where I help answer your questions as it relates to life insurance coverage. I've got an interesting question here today, and it's about how can I qualify for life insurance if I'm a mountain climber? So most likely you're watching this video because you mountain climb, and you may have been thinking about qualifying for life insurance, trying to take a policy out on yourself or a loved one who mountain climbs, but you're wondering if the act of mountain climbing is going to be a detriment to you actually qualifying. Or perhaps you've already tried and the insurance has come back with a really high price that you are not happy with and you want to see what your alternatives are. So I want to kind of give you some background here as to what to expect and what kind of issues you need to be aware of and the steps you can take by the end of this video to give yourself the best shot for a low price. So first of all, mountain climbing is sometimes an issue with some insurance companies simply because the pursuit of what you do is higher in risk than, say, walking down the street. So for example, it's going to depend on some circumstances such as the kind of mountain climbing that you're doing, whether you do it individually or in a group, how high you mountain climb, how frequent you mountain climb, and of course, your health factors are going to play into that as well. So we need all of this information up front as much as possible and as much details as possible. The more information we can provide an underwriter, the better chance we have to get us the best opportunity for a good price. You don't want to not include information in the process of underwriting. Life insurance companies have a way of finding out what you do and what your activities are and then assessing a price based off of that. So just be very aware of that. So the key here is once you've accounted in full detail to the scope of your mountain climbing abilities and involvement, you've got to work with a broker, okay? So if you don't work with a broker, you're just going to have one company, and that company may end up declining you or assigning a super high price that another company wouldn't. But you wouldn't know this because the insurance agent, by default, works with just one company. So in your situation, being a mountain climber, certain companies are going to look at your health and your activities differently and rate them differently. So you want to work with a broker that has an understanding of what the options are and can take your information to find the company that's going to come back with the best and most competitive pricing considering your unique profile. And that's what we do at Buy Life Insurance for Burial. We are brokers. We work with different companies, and we have no bias towards one company except the one that's going to give you the best deal because, frankly, that's how we make a living, right, is giving our clients the best deal. So that's what we like to do. And if you'd like to find out more about how we may be able to help you out, here's what I would recommend. Go to buylifeinsurancefororburial.com. Send us a message for more information on what you may qualify for. You'll see message options on the left bottom side of the screen. Or you can just call me direct at 888-626-0439. You'll speak to myself or possibly one of my friendly associates who will be more than happy to take your information and kind of see what the options are. My name is David Duford at buylifeinsurancefororburial.com. Thank you for watching. Hope this helped you. Bye-bye.